Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. Today we're going to have a look at 4 main ways of saying a slice in French. The word slice is different according what you're cutting and how. The first way to say a slice is une tranche, and that is used for cheese, bread, pizza and meat. Basically, when you cut those very neatly with a knife, it's une tranche. For instance, je vais prendre une tranche de rôti de bœuf. Je vais prendre une tranche de rôti de bœuf. I will have a slice of roast beef. Passe-moi une tranche de pain, s'il te plaît. Passe-moi une tranche de pain, s'il te plaît. Pass me a slice of bread, please. This is important because some people slice their bread with a knife, some just tear it. Now when you slice it with a knife, it's une tranche. Qui veut la dernière tranche de jambon? Qui veut la dernière tranche de jambon? Who wants the last slice of ham? Then we've got un morceau, which is less specific than une tranche, and it's used for cheese, bread, pizza, anything you can slice, but not necessarily with a knife. You can actually break those if you need to. So that's un morceau. It's less specifically sliced with a knife. For instance, il reste un morceau de camembert. Il reste un morceau de camembert. There is a piece of camembert left. It means it's not necessarily a slice, it's just a tiny piece. Je voudrais juste un petit morceau de pizza. Je voudrais juste un petit morceau de pizza. I just want a small piece of pizza. Vous n'allez pas laisser ce petit morceau de pain. Vous n'allez pas laisser ce petit morceau de pain. Don't leave this small piece of bread. This time the bread has been torn, not cut with a knife, so it's un morceau. Before we carry on, I'll briefly mention you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the links in the description. And you could also check out my Parler Français course, which will help you reach a conversational level of French very quickly. Then we've got une rondelle, which is very specific. It's for cheese and sausages like cold meat, things you can slice that are circular. That's why it's called une rondelle, because rond means round. For instance, tout le monde a pris une rondelle de saucisson. Tout le monde a pris une rondelle de saucisson. Everyone took a slice of saucisson. For those who don't know, saucisson is quite a hard sausage you slice and you have as a starter with bread and butter. It's really nice. Tom veut une petite rondelle de fromage de chèvre. Tom veut une petite rondelle de fromage de chèvre. Tom wants a small slice of goat's cheese. And again, most goat's cheeses are circular, so you cut une rondelle. Of course, I'm nitpicking here. You can say une tranche. It's fine, since it's a cheese. There's no problem. Finally, we've got une part, and that's very, very specific. It's for cake. Il ne reste que 2 parts de gâteau. Il ne reste que 2 parts de gâteau. There are only 2 slices of cake left. Here you've got 2 things going on. Il reste, which is there is left, or there are left, and the ne que, which is only. Il ne reste que, there's only left. Vous voulez emporter une part de gâteau? Vous voulez emporter une part de gâteau? Would you like to take a slice of cake with you? You see how I've used emporter, which is a specific verb we use when you take something somewhere. Of course, you could have said, vous voulez prendre une part de gâteau avec vous? that'd be fine, but emporter is more correct. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give me a like if that's the case, and subscribe if you're not already a member so you don't miss any of my videos when they come out. À bientôt!